Welcome to Wonderland with Sree. Story time. The elephant who lost his sneeze. One early morning, a little elephant named Bobo woke up with a very big sneeze. He felt it coming. His trunk went up, his ears shook, his little eyes became round. Ah! Bobo waited. Nothing happened. He tried again. Still nothing. Bobo looked inside his trunk. There was no sneeze. He looked behind his ears. No sneeze. He looked under his pillow. Nothing. He checked under the bed. No, nothing. So Bobo marched into the jungle to find it. He checked behind a tree. Nothing. He checked inside a bush. Nothing. He turned a stone. Nothing. He looked under a big leaf. Suddenly, a tiny frog jumped out. Boing! Bobo jumped. The frog jumped. A butterfly flew away. 3 monkeys fell out of a tree, and Bobo's sneeze finally came back. Everyone froze. The monkeys covered their ears. The frog hid behind a stone. Choo! The sneeze was so loud that leaves flew everywhere. A coconut dropped from a tree. A sleepy parrot fell off on its branch, and Bobo's ears flapped like two with little wings. For a moment, the whole jungle was silent. Then the frog began to laugh. The monkeys laughed, the parrot laughed, even Bobo laughed, and he found his sneeze. The end. Thank you for watching. Come back for more stories. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. This is me, Sree, signing off.